Guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp runtime exception problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search WhatsApp. And then go to the storage. And here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the messages and all the files will be deleted in the databases and the settings, so be careful if you want to clear your data. And you can also turn the airplane mode on and off. You can try it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.